Hello and welcome to this guided breathing meditation. Find a comfortable seated position either on a cushion or a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs all the way up. Hold the breath for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension or stress as you release the breath. Now, bring your attention to your breath as it flows in and out of your nose. Notice the sensation of the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Simply observe your breath without trying to control it. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Now, bring your attention to your breath as it flows in and out of your nose. Notice the sensation of the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Simply observe your breath without trying to control it. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. As you continue to breathe, allow your body to relax and release any tension. Let go of any thoughts or worries that come up, simply acknowledging them and then bringing your focus back to your breath. As you inhale, imagine filling your body with calm and positive energy. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any stress or negativity from your body and mind. You can continue with this breathing meditation for as long as you like, allowing yourself to become more and more relaxed with each breath. When you're ready to finish, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling grounded and refreshed. Gently open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank you for joining me in this guided breathing meditation. I hope it has helped you to feel more relaxed and centered.